Hey everyone, if you're into 3D printing like I am, you know the search for a reliable, vibrant filament can be exhausting. I've recently been using the eSUN PLA Basic Filament in orange, and I wanted to walk you through my experience because it's been surprisingly smooth. One of the first things I tried with this filament was a Halloween pumpkin model. It was a detailed print full of curves and texture. Not only did it finish faster than most of my other projects, but the details were sharp and clean. The orange color is super bright, perfect for anything festive or seasonal. It looks fantastic on display, and I got a lot of compliments on the print. The filament fed smoothly the entire time, and I didn't have to babysit the printer. One thing I always check with new filaments is how consistent the spool is. This one came wound neatly, no tangles or overlapping. I've had issues with cheaper filaments getting stuck or jamming halfway through a print, but none of that happened here. It has definitely earned a spot on my shelf. It's held up on both big and small prints, and I still have plenty left on the spool. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a solid, high-speed filament that doesn't cut corners on quality.